how to change or add numbers to your GRNMA subsidized data package. So I know a lot of you have been asking, how can we deactivate some numbers that we had already on the system and we want to change them? What can we do? Because some of us, we've changed phone numbers. Some of us, we had contact that we added as family members, but we feel like we want to change them now. And before I move straight to the point, do you know that each and every one of you can add about 5 of your family members? So 5 for MTN, 5 for Telecel. Yes, that is what you can do. So you can add about 5 different numbers, your family members. So without wasting much time, let me take you through how you can change a number that you added and add another number. So this is how you do it. Straightforward, go to your browser. I'm going to use Brief once again. Once you open Brief or once you open your browser, you just tap there and then you search for GRNMA Infonet, GRNMAinfonet.com. Then you hit on enter. Once you hit on enter, it brings you this pop-up menu. Now remember that you can only do this on the web, not on the app. So you all have to follow the same process. So you just tap on the GRNMA Infonet. It brings you here, and where they are asking for the staff ID or username, you put your staff ID, and then the password, you put in your password. If you enter your staff ID and your password and then it doesn't go through or it doesn't allow you, just try to reset your password. If you are finding it difficult to reset your password on this web version, then use the app and you can easily reset your password. Most of the time when you are trying to reset your password and they send you the OTP, you struggle to enter it on the web, but it is very easy for you to enter it on the app. So let's take notice of that. So just enter your staff ID and your password. I'm going to do that quickly. After entering your staff ID and your password, you tap on login. When you tap on login, then you click on your profile. So you see a couple of buttons and other details. So I have a lot of buttons here because I am a district executive, but your buttons will be quite less. So from here, what you need to do is that you have to just scroll down. When you scroll down, you see we have different buttons here. We have loans, loan payment, dues payment, levy payment, consignment purchases payment, items received. We have booked trips. We have subscribed numbers. We have CPD courses, fund transaction, and completed survey. What you are looking for is a subscribed members. So you simply click on the subscribed members. Once you click on it, it reveals the numbers you've added. And so you can see the numbers I've added so far. So I'm going to deactivate one of the numbers and add another one. Oh, I should deactivate 2. Anyway, so let me deactivate one. This is for test purposes, okay? So I'm just going to deactivate this one. So just tap on deactivate. Once you tap on deactivate, they will ask you, are you sure you want to deactivate? And that is a number there. You can re-register this number later if needed. So we are going to deactivate it and re-register it, another number, okay? So just tap on confirm deactivation, and after confirm, you come back to subscribe numbers again, and bam, you can see that it has been deactivated. It's now inactive. So when that person dialed the short code, or when that number dialed the short code, it wouldn't allow him or her to access the subsidized data packages for GRNMA members. So now let's go back and add a different number since we've taken this number out. So I'll go back, and here you go to your dialer. So you pick your dialer and you dial *9228*8#. Then you call. Then you select, and here you see we have options: souvenirs, pay for guests, house, pay dues, add phone number. So you tap on add phone number. So that is the 4. Tap on send. Then they actually select your provider. So this person is on MTN. I'll tap on MTN. Then is it self or family member? This is my family member. Enter 2. Then now please enter the name of the family member. So enter the family member's name. And then I'll tap on send. And now they're asking me to enter the phone number properly. So I'll enter the phone number. So make sure you confirm the phone number very well. Then you tap on send. Then it confirm it for you. You tap on yes, confirm. That is the one. Then you send. And hooray, we are through. Thank you. Your phone number was registered successfully. Now let's go back and check if this number has reflected as part of the subscribe numbers. I'll tap on OK. Go back to my Infonet and I'll just refresh it. And then I'll go to subscribe numbers again. And bam, here we have it. You can see that it has been added. And you can see the time. This is 11:06 p.m. on 24th July 2026. And that is active. So now this number can dial the short code and the person can benefit or use our data packages. So that is it. Thank you so much and make sure you use our data packages. If you have any questions, just hit me in the comment section and I'll be able to attend to you. Now remember, this is for a short period. So if you want to change a number, please do it now. And note once again that each GRNMA member can add about 5 MTN numbers and 4 and 5 telecell numbers. So that is giving you about 10 different numbers that you can add. And all those people can benefit from this data package. Thank you and stay tuned for more great content.